We there for Benetiti right now to fix Arodu Izuogu in order. We are live and direct in Benetiti with our armorers and the machineries. So please, Arodu Izuogu, we are here to settle Arodu Izuogu, to restore Arodu Izuogu back. It's why we are here. No shaking, nothing that happen. So men on ground to make things better. Men on ground to make things better. I, Uchenna, is reporting from Anicho Benetiti Arodu Izuogu. So for you to believe, I'm now in Benetiti Arodu Izuogu. Seeing is believing. To fix Anicho Benetiti and the Arodu Izuogu in general together. So please, if you are listening if you share this video, if you see it, please try to help us so that we can move forward. As a no akwo dibia ụgwọ ọba oke ọhịa ga-abụọ mgbọrọgwụ anyị abịago ịbịa mezibe nna anyị ka ụmụ ịdị ọtọ achala anyị ha na-abịa nna ha anyị nọ be nna anyị nọ be anyị ha na-abịa nna ha anyị abịagwo awụ na anyị abịagwo no going back. Men on the ground ndị iberibe si be anyị pụọla anyị ka anyị mezie ebe nna anyị ha na-abịa ha ji emezi ebe ha ka anyị nọrọ be anyị mezie ebe anyị udo dịla onye ọwụna ngwanụ.
Ho, abiwe to ko bi no obodo akwala ni ihe odo lekpe no obodo akwala ni ihe odo ụmụnne abiwe to ko bi no obodo how Please,
if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button. Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Tick TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Today being 11th of September 2025, we are bringing this news live and direct to you in Biafran land. The Musa and the Asari guys entered Arodu Izuogu, Benetiti, and some part of Okigwe today. They entered that place looking for Gentle Yahoo, looking for NJ Makeup and other commanders of the Biafra Liberation Army. You can see them here in this video. They are shouting that they are the men on ground right now, and they are calling on the Biafra Liberation Army to come out, to come and fight them. Guys, you can see exactly what is happening in Biafran land. These are Igbos, so you can see he's speaking Igbo. These are Igbos fighting against Igbo. Ụmụnne na-ebuchisi onwe fa maka na ndị nke akwete ya na Biafra, ndị nke ekwete ha na Biafra, nwanne na nwanne, oyi na oyi o, a na-ebuchisi onwe fa. Ihe nke agwụrụ ike, my brothers, agwụrụ ike. So you can see they are here calling the Biafra Liberation Army to come and fight them, calling the Gentle Yahoo to come and fight them, calling the NJ Makeup and his men to come and fight them. So guys, you can see their tanks entering into other communities in Arodu Izuogu, looking for the Biafra Liberation Army. Very for no be small thing where they happen.
The news reaching to me now from Okigwe is that Akawa NATO is under siege. I want to use this opportunity to let the Biafrans to understand that the ongoing genocide war that is going on in the land of Biafra, precisely in Okigwe, and today is 13th of August. As the information reaching to me, people are looking for their loved ones. People are missing. Watch this video. More evidences are coming. For the international community who is asking more for leaders, for fools who are asking more evidence. Watch the atrocities of Hope Uzodimma in Okigwe, in Arodu. Watch the activities of Asari Dokubo. Watch the activities of DOS. The most painful is that the USB government cabinets are responsible because they are the one using the fundraising they are gathering from Biafrans in order to support the Nigerian state government in order to fight against the Biafra Liberation Army that was established under Prime Minister Ekpa, under the government of Biafra Republic government in exile. So it is on notice that the genocide war that is currently going on in Okigwe, in search of Major General Gento Diawu and his men, are fully sponsored by Dr. Ngozi Orabeze. Watch this video for you to see the atrocities of this Ebubeagu.
And Makeup is still blaming Ngozi Orabeze, saying that she is the one that is sponsoring Ebubeagu, Musa guys, and Asari guys to come and buy them because they are having issues. You know, Ngozi Orabeze wants the Yahoo team to be under him, to be under her, but Igwe Butuzo, the Yahoo, Owa, and other commanders of Biafra Liberation Army rejected Ngozi Orabeze, so they are still having issues. Even though that Simon Ekpa has been jailed for 6 years, yes, the men on ground, the Biafra Liberation Army, is still having issue with Ngozi Orabeze. What is the way forward? What is the way out in all these things?
Yeah, no, do know how. I do know. Got a live video. Una Biafra. Nga, you na don't. Una Biafra da Biafra na. Ka nwoye.
Now I do the things now. Now yesterday I just they come back. Oh, I can't reach Okigwe. Now I just have people come count 5 men where they inside car. Say move come down, move carry our bag, follow them. We say we know they carry bag. Go, we can't ask them what we do now. They can't search our phone. No, the other guy no carry phone. They say that guy na bad boy. Now one of those niggas. Say man go first one gate where they there like that too. Now the guy come dey say he no go first the gate, he no know what to do. I'm not be smart, you know. Now one man where they inside car, and he say boss. Based on say the man a military man, and come be say the man can't get rank pass those ones where they for road. And be our savior, yes do. If not, you know for no waiting be could be the cocoa. 5K why I just carry. They say my use and show them love because I don't already come out the money from my pocket, carry my phone, carry my power bank. So I use the 5K, show them love. As I take carry the 5K, show them love. I don't just be happy guy. The other guy said run transfer almost 100K for them. Me too, I know 2 guys now. And when they just carry that 5K for my hand. My just guys stay there. I don't go like give you I know just
Ihe na-eme na this Imo state of Eteno, ọ bụrụ obere ihe, my brothers. This is indeed getting out of hands. How are we gonna come out from all these things that is going on in Biafran land? This young man here explained how they ran into Musa guys in their security checkpoint, how they were extorted. This is exactly what Biafrans are passing through because of checkpoints is numerous in Biafran land. And most of all these Musa guys only engage in extorting our people, collecting money from them, threatening them, because of the military uniform that they are putting on.
Hey guys, you see, I've been hearing about Simon Ekpa, you know, Biafra, IPOB. I've been hearing all manners of stories that the Finnish government has arrested Simon Ekpa for terrorism and what have you. And it is the same Igbo people that came to the forefront to be talking against Simon Ekpa. Listen to me. I do not know how Simon Ekpa operates. I just see him once in a while in the S account where he does some broadcasts and what have you. I do not know what he does. But I know that he is fighting for the liberation of the Igbo people. Now, those Igbo people, when they attack Simon Ekpa, what do una do when Buhari integrate terrorists inside Nigeria army? Una no see I'm talking that time. Una no cry, say what did Buhari they do? They come release all the terrorists in the north. Say they are repentant terrorists. Come integrate them right inside Nigeria army. Sometimes they go disguise, go southeast, go the Ekpa people. They go say now non-comment, now Biafra, now ESM. No, I'm not trying to condone any kind of criminality. But what I'm saying is this: those people that are attacking Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, attacking Simon Ekpa, what did you do when terrorists were being integrated right inside the Nigerian army? They go to buy people for labor. They buy people everywhere. Igbo people no talk. The only Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Ekpa, they fight for the Igbos. I might not subscribe to the methods they are using to achieve this Biafra stuff. I'm not subscribed to the methodology, you know. But they are fighting for the good of the Igbo.
This young man here has explained everything you need to know concerning Igbos. That Igbos are the one doing themselves. That Igbos are the one exposing themselves, telling the world that they are not united, that they are not together, that Igbos are the one who wrote petition and every other thing they did against Simon Ekpa. The same thing they did against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That Igbos are the one that is aiding the government to do, that is aiding the government to be taking us anyhow.
If waiting matter, go to chase shadows. Now look at this scenario now. All the terrorists in the north have been released by Buhari. Nothing happened to them. Some the Igbo of the southwest, Buhari wanted to get him. Europeans refused. The monarchs, the kings, everybody came out together. They went to the Republic and won the government. Don't ever release them to the federal government. And they did so. Today, Igbo is a free man going to UK, going everywhere, doing his campaign of liberation. But Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who has never committed any offense known to law, who was kidnapped in Kenya and extraordinarily rendition to Nigeria, is still being held in DSS custody. Igbos are not talking. And I'm quite sure it is the Igbo elites that are holding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in DSS detention or facility. Nnamdi Kanu is a UK citizen. Up till now, you cannot talk about it. Then we Igbos come they fight against our people. Come they fight against Simon Ekpa and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. What has come over us? What is happening to Igbos? Go to Facebook, go to Instagram, go everywhere. Igbos, they attack their brothers. Now for social media platform, now Igbo, they do their own saga. They abuse their brothers, they carry secret when we get the to bring to the public. We not feel comport ourselves. Hold our own. See Igbo, you know people hold them. See the terrorists, they hold them. Carry them, put for military. We come to attack our own people. Tomorrow we go say Igbo come back. Where is the wisdom? Igbos are all over the place, jumping up and down on social media platform, dancing, marrying, making toys all over the place. But our beloved brother, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, has been languishing at the DSS facility for 3 years. just because he wants the good of the Igbos. Simon Ekpa, who is fighting for the good of the Igbos, is being criticized to be sponsoring terrorism in our labor. Ndi Igbo are terrorists. No Igbo man engages in terrorism. We are good people who are very hardworking and intelligent. Go to every part of the world. Igbos are there working hard. But one thing we do not get it right is Igbo Amaye Eze. We don't respect ourselves. We don't help one another. Awu Okamanama. We keep making us all over the place. I want to stop here. It is high time Igbo stopped and come together to reason and behave responsibly so that we can protect our brothers and sisters all over the world, especially in Nigeria. Let's fight and make sure Master Namikane is released, and let us stop attacking Simon Ekpa.
Biafrans, thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Dix TV, for we remain the best. Let us interact in our comment section. We all love you. Bye.